We're getting things started here, dancehallJams.com, Jamaicans.com, everybody at home checking in. You're in tune to dancehallJams.com. I've got a special guest here today. So I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to share the link, tell a friend that Dancehall Jams is live. Both on dancehallJams.com, where you can listen to the best in dancehall and reggae music being played 24/7. And of course, checking us out live right now on Facebook Live through Jamaicans.com. Please share the link, tell a friend. We've got a very special show ahead. I want to big up everybody that's out there listening, all of the fans that have been listening from day one, all of the people that are just getting to know Dancehall Jams, because around the world, your love is pouring in, your support is pouring in, and we really, really, really appreciate you guys out there. So again, share the link, tell a friend. We are live right now here at dancehallJams.com. Let me just go on the quick intro, real quick. I couldn't know which part of the day.
Dancehall Jams! You don't know an everlasting blaze in the fire. Play the best in dancehall and reggae music 24/7. Down on to dancehallJams.com. Judgment Yard, sir.
So we are in the house today with a very special guest, as I was saying just a moment ago. This gentleman here is going to be bringing music to you guys somehow for the first time when I'm going to get to hear him. Some of you may be familiar with the name. But he goes by the name of Moses I. A Rasta man with a vision and some great music to share with the world. I'm going to start off with one of these songs. So Moses, you want to go ahead and let the people know which song we're going to be starting off with here?
Yes, you know what I say, it's open the gate, it's something I say. There's a long time the gate closed upon the people and man thing, it's something I say. Yeah man.
So we're going to go right into it now. DancehallJams.com, Jamaicans.com, share the link, tell a friend. We are live in the building, yours truly, GLeNN BLaKK, Moses I, what you say?
Who tell them? You say the Rasta man a come boy. You say the Bingy man a come here. Open the gates, let you Rasta man go. Open the gates, let you Bingy man in. Forward again, me see many enemy way. I say them and my friend, me coulda pull them up a pebbles and go get condemned. But Rastafari children just can't pretend. The greatest power is the wealth. No for run down vanity and wealth. I put the Rasta youth them on shelf. They only care for themselves. Open the gates, let you Rasta man go.
Right up again, vice welcome to the one Moses I, DancehallJams.com, Jamaicans.com, we are live in the building. Open the gates, come on, give us some light, give us some light.
Open the gates, let you Rasta man go. Open the gates, let you be man yeah. Open the gates, let you Dancehall Jam, yeah. Open the gates, let you be man yeah. Through the struggle and forward again, me see many enemy way. I say them and my friend, me coulda pull them up a pebbles and go get condemn. But Rastafari children just can't pretend. The greatest power is the wealth. No for run down vanity and wealth. I put the Rasta youth them on shelf. They only care for themselves. Open the gates, let you Rasta man go. Open the gates, let you be man again. Open the gates, let you Rasta man go. Open the gates, let you be man again. Equal right, injustice, yes, equal right, injustice. Everyone got life to live, we gotta live it right. Stop the fight, unite. Open the gates, let you Rasta man go. generation. Me back down moderation and uplift the black man nation. Me come to kick down separation, back down moderation. Move temptation. Me kick down separation and I back down moderation and I uplift the black man nation. Me come to kick down separation, back down moderation. Move temptation. Open the gates, let you Rasta man rise. You open the gates, let you bingy man in. Open the gates, let you Rasta man rise. You open the gates, let you bingy man in. Open the gates,
DanceHallJams.com, Jamaicans.com.
Open the gates.
Welcome my guest.
Oh, open the gates, let you Rasta man rise. Open the gates, let you bingy man in. It's dance and jam, dance and jam. Oh, hey, that's the far right blessings, you know. It's Moses High for the people and the nation and the world. It's what I say, a Mother Earth. Bless it.
Moses I. We don't just talk about it here, we prove. You understand? Man stepping in the studio and ready for perform. You know, see it. Wicked performance youth. Moses I is in the building. So DanceHallJams, Jamaicans.com. Share the link. Thank you for joining us today. My guest is Moses I, as you've heard. Very talented dancehall and reggae artist. Well, we're on the reggae side here, so I've got a lot to learn about this gentleman, just as you have. So I'm going to be asking all of the questions that you guys could think of. First of all, again, welcome to the show, brother.
Yeah, man, natural. Give thanks for the blessings. It's me, I have in a year. It's me, I say, yeah, man, for real. Jedi up and running. It's me, I say, yeah, man, you don't know it's Moses I live on music and up there, you know. Yeah, man. So I say, yeah, we give thanks, DanceHallJam. Yes, up.
Yeah, man, we really appreciate
all
you
the
being
fans
here.
out there, let's take a years, because we have it for the item, you know. More blessings to the people, the nation, and the youth them to come. Up.
Now, of course, when I started to hear the music, I said, I used to have kind of a vibe, a little bit of that loot and fire type of fire, a little bit of that natural black type of fire me hearing in your music. I was like, yeah man, definitely forward with a youth here. When Jedi linked me up and said the youth did it, we said definitely forward coming. First of all, let me ask you, where are you centered? Do you live in South Florida or are you living in Jamaica or where are you in the globe?
Right now we're there in South Florida right now still on this side. So I say, well, you don't know Moses I, we're always there around the place. So I say, yeah man, but right as we're there in South Florida right now, and we are featured over US same way and other places naturally. So I say, you know, yard official. So I say, yeah man, Kingston, Jamaica, we're from, you know. You see me? Yeah man, I will help out enough for the youth them from the country, because we have to take care of the country. So I say the country feed the town. Remember that. Love.
Alright, so you're forward to the two sides of the island when you're there in Jamaica.
When we're there, yeah, we're there all in the place, everywhere.
But you said Kingston is home. Kingston is where you came from, where you grew up?
Yeah, where we're born and grew, you know, in the street and the city, you see me, I say, yeah man, rough and rugged, you know. Yeah, but we overcome all temptation and frustration, you see me, I say, and we kick down sufferation and box down botheration already. You see, so we're there, man. Up full.
Sufferation to get a box, yes. So speaking of that, give us a little bit of your background. What was it like growing up? Let us know who Moses I is and where you're coming from. Because you said Kingston. Kingston is a big place. Where in Kingston you're from?
Well, you know, so in an uptown era still, like Papine era and thing we're from still, but we have to venture downtown because everywhere have a feature like downtown, you know. So it's like we grow uptown, downtown, same way from desert to Port Royal, you know. You know what I'm saying? So that's a natural levels. We just run through the city because it's not even matter how you're born up. Sometimes I don't know where you're born, I wish I you're locate mostly.
Okay.
You see what I say? So that now we are the youth and we're in the street. You see what I say? And that's how we grew up. But the Papine era, yeah man, see, U-Tech, you know, U-double-I. You see what I say? Yeah man, Tavern.
So it's an educated youth too, you know?
Monaco man.
But say you in forward and up there so strong.
I guess over there, you know, we see all of the people who come for study, you know. And them things there, so you know, so we have to have the knowledge too. You know what I say?
Definitely.
Fullness, you know.
Definitely. Education is very important. So I'm glad that you mentioned that because the youths are out there and we always want to put you know, the positive message out there with the music. And of course, it seems like your music is all about that positivity. Where did you get started with music? When was it that you first said, why you know say I'm singing the thing there?
Well, mostly I recognize myself still now. People recognize I when I was a youth and I sing still, and them I say, what a youth, you have a good voice and thing, you know. I win a competition from about 7-year-old anyway. So that's the level say music I come from way with it, you know. And the sound where a man have in him, people can say he's an artist from beginning. So people really say, yo, the youth, you know, and then they build a confidently, cause I can do things, sing, DJ, whatever different style, you know.
Got you. And I was hearing that in the music because this is the first time that I'm hearing this song, Open the Gates, which everybody watching can attest that was a bad piece of song. And hearing how far you can take your vocals. Because I was hearing you as a DJ before, but now this is the singing in your tone.
That's right. I'm also singing our art, you know. Singing our art, you know, meditation, with thoughts every day, you know. And that really function, the meditation show the satisfaction for the soul anyway. You see me? And that are the blessings, you know.
See?
So singing is a part of the thing we bring all of the melodies, you know.
Gotcha.
Sounds, you know. Yeah, man. So just create sounds, man.
Well, the melodies are there and the songs are definitely there. And the lyrics are there. It seems like you talk a lot about real topics, and it seems like you have a distinct message that you want to bring to the people of consciousness. So, you know, we always want to endorse that type of style and that type of delivery here on Dancehall Jams. I'm going to let you get into another song because, again, a lot of the people that out there are just getting to know who Moses I is, what Moses I has to offer musically. So we definitely have to give them the music to make them know, don't it?
Yeah, man. So we have to deal with it for the ladies them too, you know what I say, because it's like, you don't know, as a cultural artist, we have to make them know, say, through singing our passion still, we sing love to the people, you know, and we sing love in the woman them soul same way, you see me I say? Because it's a love and a joy, you know, a man can't live without a woman, because the nation have to go on and children have to come, you know?
True.
See me and the family have to live together. Sharing and caring is a must, so we have to big up the woman them as a man. You see me I say? So a king and queen, set it.
Ladies, you don't know, sir. We love you here on Dancehall Jams and Jamaicans.com, and Moses, I sends love to you. So, is that what this next song is about? Is this next song about the ladies?
Yeah, well, this song is about the natural African them, you know? African woman, you see me I say? Because the natural levels of, enough of them try to bleach themselves to look like other race, you know? And I forgot that the beauty is there, you know? The darker you look is more better, more stronger blood, more stronger levity, more stronger everything, more stronger genes. So I say, because black people are the original from Africa, Ethiopia, at the head. Yeah.
Well, you don't know, we don't stop crying for all black woman. So, right now, Moses, I could give the black woman them something for cheer to.
Woman, Miss a woman of civilization. Black woman, them sweet, them a natural beauty. See, I see I them daddy, them sweet, them a natural beauty. Queen Amiga and them mommy, them sweet, them a natural beauty. Hey, yeah, boy, I love to see them in the Ethiopian style. When them dress up in them tall dress coming from off the river Nile, I said, ooh, you look so charming, like a roses blooming in my garden. Black woman, them sweet, them a natural beauty. See, I see and them daddy, them sweet, them a natural beauty. Queen Amiga and them mommy, them sweet, them a natural beauty. Hey, yeah, woman, woman of civilization. Boy, mother of her child, woman, who care for the younger. Black woman, them sweet, them a natural natural beauty. Still I see I them daddy, them sweet, them a natural beauty. Queen Amiga and them mommy, them sweet, them a natural beauty. Hey, boy, woman of civilization. Mother of creation. Natural beauty, and she's a cutie. African woman, beautiful woman, natural girl, number one in my world. Oh gosh, no, I never see some natural beauty. Still I see I them body, them sweet, them natural beauty. Queen Amiga and them mommy, them sweet, them natural beauty. Hey, yeah, whoa, boy, I love to see them in the Ethiopian style. When them dress up in them tall dress coming from off the river Nile. Ooh.
Yeah, Moses eye for the woman them too. Moses eye with the consciousness and Moses eye with the love for the ladies out there. So ladies, we love you, black women, women of all shape, color, shape, wherever you come from. But naturally we want the black women out there to know your blackness is beauty. And at that Moses eye, I tell them about it.
Natural. Yeah, man. Oh, smooth. You see me, I say? For real. I just love and try. I don't know. Because I don't know black woman are the mother, you know, man, are the genes. And enough nation out there right now, you know, them take the plasma from the lady them, you know what I say?
True thing.
And get them shape. Remember that. African have it.
Yeah, you have to remember, say, you're born with the natural, the lips them were full. And the collagen and all of these beautiful features. When you don't wash yourself down, man, when you don't sell yourself short, you are the mother of the earth and we love you. So let me ask you this, Moses I, because we're singing about the woman who is the queen and who is the foundation of the household, bringing the children forth and making it so that you and I can stand here because we're black people and we can't be here without a black mother. Tell me a little bit about your background as far as family goes.
Yeah, well, family-wise still, you know, we are in the street youths, you know. We never really grew with the parents them like that, you know. So it kind of rugged in that levels, you know, and things. So survival is the greatest, you know. My mother come from in the country, you know, the children in the region, and come in the city, you know, come look at job. I end up get pregnant. She never use them same way in the country if you go take care and stuff like that. You see what I say? So eventually, I grew up in the city, you know, and still I and I are the ones same way we go forward, seek for I and I family, find them and keep connection strong and be a powerful person we can uplift, you know. So the most I send people in a position and places more time and we have to give thanks for that instead of we feel away for the disappointment of how life look to the eye. You know what I say? Because anyway you're supposed to travel, you know, you gotta go there. And when the Almighty send you to do work, you have to do it through any family. So right now within the family levels, I don't grow with my family them, but I love them. You see what I say? But I like the idea of love with the family. You see what I say? And share and care amongst them. Just likewise a friend them and the close ones them around you. Never give up on a friend. You know what I say? No matter what go on, because people make mistakes. And enough people I say you can't trust friend, but who you gonna trust? Sometimes you talk that and you have a next bridge inside of you, so we have to tell him say you don't trust him. You know what I say? So we have to find that trust there and that love there to share, you know? You see what I say? So my family tradition is for everyone everyone in my family. Because I see it in another way, they say we have to forgive people too, even when they're wrong alongside, you know, and try to ask for some forgiveness too if you're wrong, you know.
That's a powerful message. That is a powerful message. Now, speaking of forgiveness, because, you know, obviously going through family, a lot of youths that grew up in Jamaica and African youths from across the world may grow up with fractured families because we're coming from a place where now we're rebuilding ourselves. Yeah, having gone through every form of discrimination and pullback that we could as black people. So we do see a lot of the fractured families, but to hear that you have that healthy mentality about it is very encouraging to a lot of other people out there who might be going through something like that or might have grown with that type of situation and really haven't come to terms with it. But you talked about a very powerful thing, which is forgiveness. So I wanted to ask you quickly, because it's a big topic now. You've seen what happened with the young man that was shot by the policewoman in his home. And the family's reaction after she was sentenced was to tell her that they afford her forgiveness. And it's been a very controversial thing. A lot of people have a lot to say on both different sides of that topic. I'm curious, how do you feel about that topic? And have you really dwelled on the type of forgiveness that they've given and what your thoughts are there?
Well, even people have just say things in front of the media sometimes, you know, but it have to come from deep within, you know.
Right.
And that are the things. So, and I will still, we all have to look through the reality of life, what's going on right now, and try to wipe away all the racial vibes amongst life, you know, because all blood red, you know, all blood have one color. You see what I say? No other races color blood is different, you know what I say? And people are share organs across different nations right now, so you know what I say? So it's a whole levels where we have to find this way of forgiveness amongst each other. And the most I put we have for your purpose, to live together like the ants, the bird, the bees, and all these animals we see. You see what I say? Because the animal them, they have to teach us how to even eat and drink and live. You know? So really and truly, we have to learn to forgive each other. And we give thanks when people can sight up the vibes and come together and stand up for the rights of our next person who are even getting weak, you know, natural.
Yeah, man. You have some powerful meds. You have some real powerful meds and a genuine way about himself, you know. So these are the type of people that we want to bring forward, dancehallgems.jamaicans.com, to the world, because they have that type of message and that type of vibe about themselves that spreads the positive aspects of our culture and our people as Jamaicans, as people who are part of the reggae and dancehall culture and everything like that. So I'm very grateful that you're here and saying some of the things that you're saying. But it's all about the music as well. So we have our next track we're going to get into here. You want to tell us about this track and introduce it before we get into it?
Yeah, man. Well, this track is our next princess track for the woman then, you know. Because we don't know another and a whole, as we say. Moses, the people them been love and I vice, and the woman them really put me up to that heights, you know. Because woman love and I everywhere we go, and we music. And them really support and I. So I have to sing music for the woman them, you see what I say? On a levels. You see
that sounds like a humble way of saying it, man.
It's just like your dream see a girl and really and truly she come to reality, you know. So this is more than a dream come true.
See that?
That's this song, you know.
Alright, dancehallgems.jamaicans.com. Moses I, what name dream come true?
More than a dream.
More than a dream, right here. Check it out.
More than a dream come true. Making love with you. This is more than a dream come true. Baby, this is more than a dream come true. Making love with you. More than a dream come true. Darling, you keep my vision alive. Now you're right before my eyes. Indeed, it's been so long. I need this communication. Oh, with this feeling so strong. While I hold you in my arms, and I feel you with my charm. love with you. This is more than a dream come true, baby. This is more than a dream come true. Making love with you. This is more than a dream come true, darling. Search so hard to find, could never find a love like yours. Your love so divine, girl, your love so true. You are the natural plan, girl, and you've got what I want. And I will always give you love so true, and I'll be there for you, girl. And I will always give you love so right, loving you with all my mind. More than a dream come true, making love with you. This is more than a dream come true, baby. More than a dream come true, making love with you. More than a dream come true, darling. You know it's dancehall song, and it's Moses Eye for the ladies, you know. Ooh, Moses Eye again. You keep my vision alive. No, you're right before my eyes. Ooh, yeah. It's been so long, baby. I need this communication. Whoa, with this feeling so strong. While I hold you in my arms, and I feel you with my charms, and I know I'll keep you warm. More than a dream come true, making love with you. This is more than a dream come true, baby. This is more than a dream come true, making love with you. This is more than a dream come true, darling. Oh,
Dancehall drums and Jamaicans, that's how that was called
this is
More Than a Dream,
than a dream come
from this artist by the name of Moses Eye.
true.
Now Moses, before we let you go, before we let you forward it back into the world and make some more of them great music here, there's a single that we've been playing here on Dancehall Jams for a little bit now, and I definitely want to make sure that you get a chance to perform this one. So tell everybody about this song, the production and everything like that. The album I know that you're a part of the promotion for. So I wanted you to just tell everybody a little background on this tune. How much more?
Yeah, man, for real. Well, you don't know it's NS. You see me, I say? NS production, this is going right now, you see me? Yeah, man, NS Enterprise, you see me? Yeah, man, for real. And the rhythm, it's a great rhythm out there right now. See? Just go out there and feature it, you see me? I say, yeah, man, musical explosion.
Yes, the reggae explosion rhythm. You've heard it a few times.
So it's a reggae explosion.
Yeah.
For real, a whole heap of artists step on it and thing. You don't know Adventure and things, so you don't know Moses I feature a song on it right now. You see me? Featuring to the heads of governments anyway. You see me I say? Because we ask them how much more. You know me I say it have a cost. Because right now we are work hard enough to pay a lot of bills. You see me I say? And we want to know what go on with the funds.
Yeah.
You see me, and we don't want it to fight no war. We want to uplift people with it. You see me, so this is a question where I know some people that like to ask. This is a song.
wire. And how much more? It's a go cost, yes. How much billion it take to start the wire? And how much more? Life a go last. Leaders of the world today. Yeah, the blame is on you, yes. The blame is on you. So many youths been gone astray. So many lives been swept away. Destructive weapons, that's what they invest in. The war and the crime and the violence, I might not put no interest in. The world living in fear, boy. And every heads of government trying to build a nuclear. How much billion it takes to start the war? And how much more? It's a go cost, yes. How much billion it takes to start the war? And how much more? How much more life? Pirates come to Africa. Oh, pirates take us to the Caribbean. Whoa, pirates, confiscators. Pirates. Whoa, when a city get destroyed, they just can't build it back. It takes years to come around. A lot of years. With so much pollution and all this destruction. Ooh, with destructive weapons. How much billion it takes to start the war? And how much more? It's a go cost, yes. How much billion it takes to start the war? And how much more? How much more love?
Dancehall Jams, Jamaicans.com. The artist goes by the name of Moses I. Talking the real things. Talking about what's going on in the world. Talking to all the beautiful ladies and all the beautiful girls. And all the women out there that we love. So, Moses I, thank you so much for being my guest, brother.
Give thanks, you know.
Blessings.
More blessings we have in our year, you know.
We want to see the music forward out there, so everybody make sure you support Moses I, and quickly tell them where they can find you on social media, what you've got going on next, what projects they can look out for. Give them the full, yeah, man.
Well, I don't know, say it's Moses I official on Instagram, same way. So I say, and you can check out Anthony Sing, yeah, man. You see me, I say, Google, same way, anywhere. Just check I out Facebook. You see me, I say, natural. You see me, right across the web. We did it. Moses I up an official long time. You see me, I say, yeah, man, a natural blessing for the people, them, man, in the world, and blessings to the youth, them. You see me, I say, dancehall jam, give thanks to everyone, you know.
Yes, blessings, Moses I in the building, Dancehall Jams, Jamaicans.com. Thank you for joining us. Those of you who are watching on Jamaicans.com, go ahead and share this link after. We're going to upload it and make sure you let your friends see what's going on. We're giving you the best in dancehall and reggae music 24/7. Moses I, right here, Dancehall Jams.
Bounce along, dancehall jams around the place. So come bounce along. Wait on, I said that. This is Wayne Wonder, and it's all about dancehallJams.com.